She's a Mona Lisa.
Get in, bitches. We're going to the Gibson.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hello, lovelies. Today I'm bringing you a hairstyling video. All of these looks today are historically inspired, not historically accurate. They are extremely simple to do because, let's face it, I'm lazy and I ain't got time to do complicated hairstyles. As long as it looks fancy, I'm okay with it. So let's get started. I'm starting with hair that has been braided and the ends curled under in certain areas to clean it up. If you have wavy hair, skip that step. If you have straight hair, you might need to curl it with a curling iron or sleep with it in braids like I do. Normally I have very straight hair. I call this first look the historically inaccurate period movie. It's kind of a crime to even call it a tutorial, but you're just gonna do a half updo. Yes, women never had their hair down in the past, but it looks really nice. Stick a bow in, perfect. Obviously this look is extremely historically inaccurate unless you were a child. So yes, if you'd like to cosplay a Victorian child, as I actually do, thank you Lolita fashion, give this hairdo a shot. For the second look, we're going to make something like a voluminous faux bob. Start by tucking your hair under itself, like so. For the sake of time, I'm going to use these giant alligator clips instead of thousands and thousands of bobby pins. I'm going to secure it right where my fingers are pinching up my hair. I'm going to tuck another one underneath and clip it over the first clip to make an X. Isn't that neat? It looks so fancy, even though it took only 2 seconds. Now the hardest part of this hairstyle is getting them to look the same, but we're gonna persevere. We're gonna curl this under, push it against our head, clip, and then secure that clip with another clip. And voila! Doesn't it look fancy? Oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. Okay. If that happens, which it probably will because it's only secured with those giant hairpins, you just clip it up with some bobby pins. Voila! This hairstyle feels particularly Victorian with a slight modern twist. It's not so tight against your head. It's actually fairly secure. If you are going out and not just putting on your clothes to snap a few pictures at home, I definitely recommend taking the time to secure your hair with bobby pins instead of just those giant clips. But you can see, it's fairly stable. On to the next one, on to the next one. Alright, this last look is Gibson girl inspired, and I love Gibson girl hair. It's probably my favorite historical hairstyle, but it's just too damn complicated for me to do it the right way. So I will show you the wrong way that looks okay. Your hair a little counterintuitively, instead of twisting it out, you want to twist it in front of you. And then you kind of wrap it above your ear. And you can kind of see it's starting to get that like poofy Gibson girl volume-esque. See, if you do it the other way, it's like too neat. But if you twist it this way, it kind of pushes that hair forward, which I think creates kind of more of that voluminous roll. Twist it, twist it. I like to just hold it in place for a second. Like that, and check it. Then do the same thing on the other side. If you have some loose hairs, that's actually good, because we're going to pin it all up later. So twist it towards your face, not away. So I'm just gonna leave a little bit of hair down for later. I'll show you why. Twist it, twist it. And yeah, it looks a little messy, but you know what? Gibson girl hair looks romantically messy. Alright, I like the shape of that. It's got the roll feel. Next, get yourself a hair wrap or a hair piece, whatever you want to call it. Whatever these things are called. I got this one from my mom. I think she got it from Korea. Just get a hair thing that matches your hair color and make it into like bun shaped relatively. Stick a hair comb on the back or just buy one like this. Secure everything with bobby pins first. Alrighty, and we're gonna finish off with the hair piece. I like to use these hairs that I left down to kind of incorporate it around the head, the hair piece. That way, if it doesn't quite color match, it kind of helps blend it in. And yes, you must bobby pin everything. And there you have it, the Gibson girl hairstyle in under 5 minutes. You're welcome. Now you go out there and get yourself that man or woman, you beautiful Gibson girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys don't take this too seriously. One of the best ways to figure out good hairstyles for yourself is to just play around and have fun with it. I feel like these hairstyles would go really well with dark academia, royalty core, historical costuming, pretty much anything that likes to be fancy. Let me know which hairstyle you like the most. And if you do end up using one of these tutorials, please send me a link. I'd love to see. Bye! If you're feeling extra, I don't know, maybe you just want to be a fancy-ass time traveler who doesn't give a shit about historical accuracy. Put some pearls in it, man. That just totally turned in more Regency, you guys. Serving up looks.